Today, Nifty is showing a strong bullish strength, closing more than 250 points in positive territory. But will this sustain? Because 250 points is nothing but just 1% in Nifty. It is a regular move, but due to long prolonged period of sideways movement, we think this is a bullish move. Since Nifty is showing bullishness today, there is a major black swan event happened in South Korean market today. Will this macro let us run this rally, or what are the overhead resistance for Nifty in the coming days? We are going to see in this video. Hello traders and investors. I am Haresh, SEBI Registered Research Analyst. Disclaimer: investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. For more details on our premium services, contact us at 7639993695. Actually, we are posting our pre-market and post-market videos in our YouTube channel. Post-market videos will be posted as an video every day evening, and pre-market analysis was given as a community post in our channel. To increase effectiveness of the post-market analysis, from Monday onwards we are planning to give what are the major indices doing, broad market indices doing, what is the sectoral performance, thematic performance, what are the top gainers and losers, what are the events we have to look after for tomorrow, and Nifty's open interest chain analysis as well as Nifty today's levels and tomorrow's intraday levels will be analyzed in the direct chart itself. So keep following our channel for more effective and useful information on the stocks and indices. Now let us see the Nifty analysis. Now you can see Nifty has closed with a 250 points plus bullishness today on the Friday's market. But today itself, in the afternoon session, South Korean market see a black swan event of a microchip company. Its ETF fall more than 90% in 3 months. So there are lot of black swan events happening around the world. We have to see how it is reflecting, or our market's earnings session positivity will lead the market or not. We have to wait and watch. But as for technical analysis, there are lot of resistance overhead. We have already told that Nifty has to cross 24,600 level for the minimum bullishness to retain. Because why we told 24,600 is, we are taking this as a swing high. These are not swing high because from 23,000 to 24,500 it is just 6% move. So at least 5 to 10% swing high will qualify as a strong swing high. So I am taking this 24,600 as a important pivotal swing high. Price has to cross this level for a minimum bullishness, cross and sustain above this level, and should take support and then move in the bullish direction for a further movement in the bullish direction. Otherwise it will resist here and come down. This is based on this swing. Okay, again you see this is based on this swing. Again you see there is another swing, this high to this low. If we mark a Fibonacci, you see 24,482, that is 24,500 level falls on 50% level of this swing. So there is also a 50% resistance here. Stock has crossed below the 50% level. It may even retest here and can come down also. Okay, so there is another resistance here. See here. Then we go back. See this high to this low. If you mark this high to this low, there is a resistance on 24,293, 300 levels. So there is a 3 level of confluence here. And also you even go back. See here, if you draw a Fibonacci from this to this, you will again get a 50% zone here. Okay, and you see here, again if you draw a Fibonacci from this to this low, you will get a 50% swing here. So there is 4 to 5 50% zone present in this 24,300 to 24,600 area. First Nifty has to cross this level, then only it has to move to the all-time high. In all-time high also you see already there is a 3 resistance level. If you combine this, there is 4 resistance level at the all-time high of 26,380 something. So there is 2 level of resistance very heavy for Nifty overhead. One is 24,600, another is 26,400 levels. Only when these two levels are crossed, we can confirm that Nifty is in a bullish trend. So 30% bullishness we can confirm after this 24,600 break and sustaining above this level, and further if the all-time high is broken and sustained, then only we can confirm that the bullish bull run has started. Okay. So based on our option levels which we give for Nifty, today Nifty opened in the first 5 minutes itself. It has broken the previous day high level and the resistance zone created by the options data. So we are on the bullish direction of the market. Then it took support here exactly at the resistance 3 times and stayed bullishness for today. Tomorrow's level for your reference is Nifty resistance is at 24,450 to 500 levels, which we have spoken that it is a crucial level. That is on Monday it has to break based on the large cap stocks results coming this weekend. Our support is at 24,175 to 225. Kindly closely watch these levels for the coming days, as well as the swing levels for the shorter period and the longer run. Follow us more for such technical analysis. Monday onwards, we will be posting post-market videos from the trading view chart directly, compiling broad market indices performance, sectoral indices, thematic indices performance, top gainer, top loser, 10 stocks analysis, as well as what are the events for tomorrow, what are the stocks in the news, and Nifty next day's level and option chain analysis. Everything will be covered in the post-market report. In the pre-market report, you will get the market mood, sentiment, macro ideas, and stocks in focus on the post in the YouTube channel itself. Keep following us. If you are trusting someone with your stock market journey, choose research over speculation. We are a SEBI registered research analyst. To learn how to trade and invest using our momentum framework, for free consultation and demo of our services, call us at 763 999 3695. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.